Ho, ho, ho. Oh, it's been a long day. Where was I? Ho, ho, ho. Oh, it's been a long day. This is my last Dear Santa letter. Let's get at it. It says, Dear Santa, it's been a while, right? Well, I've turned my life around and thought I would ask for a couple of things. YouTube channel, Odyssey Life, 1985 Honda Odyssey FL350. Says here he asked for one when he was a kid. Says 39mm carb, sent by Odyssey Life YouTube by Bernie. Well, let's see if I actually have something from him when he was a kid. Oh, hey, right behind his letter, in the B's, it says, Dear Santa, I would like a Honda Odyssey for Christmas, please. That's all I want. That's pretty odd for a 9-year-old kid to only want one thing. This thing must be pretty special. Let's check the naughty and nice list and see what that says. Oh, it says he's honest, dependable, trustworthy, definitely not lacking in gratitude, loves his mom, he eats his veggies, and he hits his knees to pray. Well, that sounds like a pretty good year right there. And the bad list we have, works too much. Well, I guess if it takes away from family time, but it also puts food on the table too. Sounds like a good man to me. Too honest at times, and I'm Santa, and I don't believe you can ever be too honest. It's probably just the way he says it. And it says Rocky passed. Well, I say if it's Rocky, get some new suspension. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, we don't care about that. It's what you do today. Second chances are what it's all about, and it's Christmas. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. You know what? I think we're going to have to get this man his exhaust and carburetor, and we'll get it to him for Christmas. That's a good thing. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Here we are, last stop of the night. Odyssey Life Workshop. Santa, enter here. Boy, this guy sure is considerate. Well, let's get this heavy bag in under his tree. I hope he has a tree. Let's get the door. Gotta try to keep it down. I hope he left cookies and milk. Ho, 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 ho. Gotta keep it down. Don't want to wake anybody up. Shh. Okay. Oh. I hope they're heavy sleepers. Oh, nice lights. Merry Christmas. Such a small ceiling. Oh, beautiful. Oh, he did remember the cookies. I love cookies. Cookies and milk. Oh, when I see cookie, oh, what is this? Oh, what a treat. Sweet and salty. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, I gotta keep it down. But maybe if I put this in my mouth, I'll be able to stop. I love cookies and milk. Ho, ho, oh. I gotta keep it down. But these cookies, I just, maybe if I have some milk. Nobody's coming. They only left me one cookie, y'all. What am I gonna do? Ho, ho, oh, I gotta hurry up. I love cookies. Oh, I love cookies. Okay. Ho, ho, oh, sorry. You know what? He can just keep the bag. I gotta get out of here. Oh, thanks for the cookies. I'm gonna keep this for later just so I can throw it away. And Merry Christmas. Oh, I gotta keep it down. Morning, guys. Hey, I was sleeping. I just got woke up by the most horrendous noise on my back porch and in my basement. So we're gonna make our way down into the Odyssey Life workshop and see what's going on. Hopefully there's not an issue. Merry Christmas, guys. I know I left sweet and salty protein bar for Santa with some milk. Hey guys, it looks like Santa came. He drank his milk. What happened to the wrapper? What happened to the wrapper for the protein bar? Oh man, look what Santa brought us. I wonder what this could be. Okay guys, here's our present from Santa. I'm so excited. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for being here. Merry Christmas. Let's get this open. The excitement's been killing me, guys. Merry Christmas. I can't wait to see what it is, guys. Can't wait to give a new meaning to tearing open the box. I thought we lost our microphone for a second, guys. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? It says Keihin Corporation 39mm PWK D chrome carburetor. Oh, guys. Look at that bad boy, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So amazing. So amazing. And this is straight from Keihin, genuine parts. Awesome, guys. What else is in the box? Let's just throw the paper, right, guys? Oh, man. Oh. Oh, guys. I'm gonna put our box on the floor. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything, guys. Oh man, guys. This is our DG National pipe. We got a new exhaust manifold, brand new springs. We also have a pack of stock springs right here for our stock exhaust. We also got a new intake manifold, guys, from Hot Foot Moto. I'll be giving you guys the link for all this stuff in the description. Let's open our pipe, guys. Ooh, this is our silencer. This is so awesome, guys. We weren't supposed to get the nickel-plated exhaust. We were just supposed to get the plain exhaust. And here's our silencer. Very nice, guys. But I want to open this pipe. Oh wow, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Got the DG emblem right here. Oh guys, I almost feel like crying right now. Like, this is just amazing. You know, just where we were a year ago to where we are today. So amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, guys. You guys make this mean so much. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We even got some new intake, air intake clamps for our boot that goes to the stock airbox. We got them from Joe over at ATV. Yeah, guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for being here. It's gonna be an amazing year coming up. Yeah, guys. Man, guys, sorry about that, but I get so emotional. So emotional. Like, the words tears of joy, like, I had to cut and walk away, and I just sobbed like a baby for like 5 minutes. Snot was running out of my nose. I just get so overwhelmed with gratitude with everything that's happening that I just can't help it. Like I cry at least 3 times a week. I'm not even gonna be afraid to admit it. I get so overwhelmed with gratitude, especially in the morning before I go to work when I'm posting all that positive stuff. Guys, I'm really floating on some kind of I don't even know how to describe it, but it's been an amazing year. Thank you so much for being here with me. You guys mean so much. We're going to do so much this coming year. I've got so much in store for you. So thanks for being here. Thanks for sharing all this how-to stuff. It's all going to culminate in, I think, one of the most amazing experiences you guys can have on a weekly basis. It's something different. I told you, if you stick with me through all the boring stuff and we learn a couple things along the way, I got something in store for you. So please be patient. We'll get this stuff slapped on, we'll slap this bad boy back together, and we're going to get this show on the road. So until next time, don't forget all of our social media platforms, link in the description. Like and subscribe, guys. I can't stress this enough. The Facebook group should never have more members than the YouTube channel, right? Because the YouTube channel is our primary focus, but I'll take your support any place I can get it, and I'm glad you guys stopped by. So I guess when we see you, we'll see you, and until then, I'll be waiting for you. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Oh, man.